All right, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here, showing you an awesome new listing here in beautiful Avalon Park. We have a quiet street tucked towards kind of the back, but very still convenient for the rest of the community. That new marketplace that just opened with 9 restaurants on top of the other 15 restaurants. So tons and tons to offer here in the community of Avalon Park. As you can see overhead, lots of nature surrounding the community. You can also see nearby schools. You can hear the drum line from Timber Creek. You can see, Avalon Elementary, just moments away here by foot. And so the house itself is a great family home. Let's go see inside. All right, so as we step inside, you're gonna notice actually new floors everywhere, fresh paint as well, nice upgrades, kind of natural wood look, modern, very modern feel in this house. Very spacious here with the French doors up front, adding plenty of light into this area. And then we have the master on the ground floor, which is very handy, also with French doors up to the front. So it's that classic front porch living Avalon Park lifestyle with its own, again, of course, master bathroom suite, but you also have a half bathroom down here as well. So very convenient for everybody. We're just under 2,400 square feet here. And officially 3.5, but we're going to show you more of what we can create upstairs. We have lots of space here as well. So the rooms that are here are huge and have plenty of light from the sides and the back. Again, French doors, again, off to the back with the back deck there as well. And then we have an upgraded kitchen, okay? So as you can see, modernized cabinets, stainless steel appliances, some new hardware here as well. Plenty done, potential for more, of course. And then you have the NOOK, you have the laundry, and then the garage, the 2-car attached garage with the back alley, which is nice for kids or pets to play out back in silence without much traffic. So let's go check out the upstairs like I was talking about. All right, so as we come up, again, lots of light coming in from everywhere in this house. So feels even bigger than it already is, which is already nice size. So this is an awesome bonus area. You can use it as a home office, kids play area, just open space. But as you can see, we already have a little cove there. You can enclose that, make it a closet, add one wall here straight across, and you have now a 4th bedroom, okay? But nowadays it's nice to have it open for that flex space type thing. And then we have a full bathroom, as you can see in the photo, as well as 2 really good sized bedrooms overlooking the front. And so when I first walked up here, I was like, wow, is that the master? Because they're a really good size and you're gonna come check it out here soon. So lots to offer. You can see more on the MLS details. But thank you again. My name again is Phil Colbridge here. The information's on the screen. Come see it real soon. It won't last.